is coming soon. Period. And I've had young come Shaira cry. And come Shaira, Nami Usura Benini Pamu. And Jesus of Papa Shan come up. Nasafu Bonnie Bakata attack. Or don't you need Papa to Jum Menamin, or don't you need Bonus on Rosso. Windy, Namebo Fonakan, come say, in a breedy opium. Tamebo Fonakan, come say, in a breedy opium.
Alright, for 106.5 ABR FM on the internet at www.abrfmonline.com/US and I said www.abrfmonline.com/streams. Who's the Hadia 106.5? Nano pay when bema great ampon or a great ampa of the demo. What's a corner the play? And lunch in a basso. Yeah, and then how many tracks now sitting so?
Hymns on a young class and on a young 17.
Wow, and no back 17. SD hymns.
The Methodist Presbyterian. Oh, do you for Cassina Ben on it, oh, Jesus, and the Pentecost dear. Oh, Israel, your cup, Yamenda, oh, baby, oh, hymns I will mark 17. No album is so, and my do mark 17. No album and so track I found cron. So about 4 to a age, you miss it. When I'm here, we are cron. Oh, yeah, cron. Oh, yeah, cron. And also I was so. Now, for about half an hour, I don't mark 10 and all alpha album and so. Just no back over 2 now. Only 27 songs. No, coffee. I doesn't go to good.
I tell for some of friends, somewhere every lines to Mumbai Bay. The next 5 to 10 minutes, been a unique community. And man also lines no me announce an part of Fred also the drink Abba. And could and then lunch no. Time and I say 4 o'clock, right?
Yeah, 4 o'clock. My father said, I'm in your preparation, you know, you're not least gonna time of day. By 5-6 days. As long as the can in shower, because the can in shower time also by 11:30 12. It would end out.
You think time
11.
I know really.
Yeah. It's only 4. That is by 5 for the never to wash us.
Okay. And 167 Vernon Street. As the sorry on Pacho and 1 also. So 4 290 this now as a 13 for the 13 this one. Offer Ponocostro, I say on your left, won't say, oh, as the or Vernon, and they walk. So be a person Fred now, Una and one direction here, and our person will be someone send here. Fred Uncle Ken, 508-414-9531. Fred Uncle Ken of 508-414-9531. Your part of 4 o'clock, you ready to say, oh, bar for cash, ebra. Also, kind of Ghana to Omubre Pay. Was it gonna Aquarius or Papa? It just over for cash, ebra. We want to cry $100 be. That was a media anyway. He was once a medium banner at Toso. I would never present. Oh, okay. I'm a boy. Jeremiah Obia, Jeremiah or Suffolk Watson, Ample. Wow. Now, made never present here, Caribbean is a extra. Upon 1 year, 8 months. Never find software, better software. Now, you papa nephew Kumasi, I never call your friends and said, Biso. Back in your that was the day I was in the Mac, in the Kunya accident. Now, up like a 12 in Sano, Yankasa cow, a 2 a year frozen. Now, we come up, I don't make program, we come up. Now, a Kamakuma, maybe dear Chile or share baby, I can't say as your own number. Now, my mother say, Yamia Matumwa.
me koye program ma me ne kwaku ji siaka kwaku adi atum aja ko nso adi atum aye ko ye show ne dia solicity fan ama kra no dachi ne ono ko aba ko nso ho a wonde wo me krum ono so ne 9 years ne atwa wow ono so yase dem sa kwa ketu kwa langu to me nu e na dama kuma so a aye friend say me koye program dia mom ti nyame ma do ne say kakraba me nsana me ko dua then I'm just going to use it to organize a big program so be bina bibi kakra dia to kwa langu chi mentumi nhwe nipa nyina de na nso de nyamba kama de so ya na ma ye
asa in that case na dem say oba oto album studio na ko fie chi no osika no esa ko boa obi na obo obi ohia mo bro obi a ohia say so so no gwa
me pesa me de akwa me ko na me program na wo de mbu me me ba to net so se bia se doctor bi won ma bet me bi dia support to nsano because oni why have on bibi kaka na wati ato ni balance ni won bi ketu abi na wati ato yesa bra hu a awde ho yie nya de ketu
papa esofu
na papa esofu better esofu e wo se hwede bi so na esewani en so ka ti obi anu amede adna hye na wata watumi awe obi o hu bia se kodo meboa
na wo ni picture
me mo picture no me jawo enti e wo madam me so onfanto onfanse ne me ya en na me yad mo ya bia e beto so wo to me ye ba de e beto e school no bia
wow ete fontie ne ede se oba ampon lunch yase a e de ebo a hokuma no ba bi no e ne jese ye belancha bom keke one all lancha bona support ampon ministry and the ministry no say o ka no e comprise say ye boa e mo frobi mu hia moa ko sa bo friend say twa ne na ye twa say ya mboa na onyina obe problem society onyina one e be hwe no family no be there but if we can help
ba ko ka de obo kokompe wa woni makompe na nze koja ya wa yesa na de ko school wa de akos woni crutches just 7 crutches you don't have it
what
minim so bi adom necessary wheelchair de etumi move operate no minim so bi adom na ni po betumi ayesa kanya mbishira no pa
ordinary ba ko nanti ko
ordinary ba ko nanti aboko kompesa na da mi ko hunye no minia ese misunya ma ne ma me kura e pata mi se minya na mema no so na too much. It was a sad moment for me. 9 years na administrative won say almost an accident e twa the 9 no em say at the age of 5 now I said I go school for 4 years. Yeah, so people are suffering. The one don't think say you're born in a political form. But you're born said you can go for bro.
How we feel.
Go for bro. So we feel for them. You told them now you told company for nyame do must so say. Already do must so say monya man man ko yi. Because nyame yi wa na we yi say on nation. We president we you say show man no men nipa bia na so obo no wonya asomdwe. Say na mo so no obi dia wo the common di wo nya ewu a we know you know mamunya mfa did that. So you told them we sing from a passion. No me go so Ghana na abira ko minia. People are suffering. Go for brebe mi ko minya da di chini nkurase. Because of crusade ninti. E chini pa na masa. I tell you mi ko program wie sika na mi ko minya mi tumi nyina che. E che go for.
O show be station.
Obi ehun ano oba won sa be na ma che ya. Obi ehun ano oba ma be kan na se ma che no. What is that? Wa bre wo bi bia wo kro ni mu.
Okay, so politician.
Yeah, everything.
Yes, so ta party here.
Amaka. No matter what na do say oba na nyama ko ya meka na say de meka me say na meti. Say de metu me say na metu no. Me say sada.
Ko yo yembra abon so. Kata taki be twa say na manata ebe. I say o manata say na we talk about society no name ko so. And so Yesu ba dey free bu na o dey asumdie ba.
E ga me say for tell so see e be wash ni bi nya de insunto. Even was living at the issue to the said. I said, good year, yes,
wow. Okay, Coyote, and then day 4 o'clock is here. Now, if I'm going to come artist, they come on Bespotuana.
Yeah, I mean, as you Samidan come home.
Okay,
and then I don't to for a war as the ceremony, Cosiada Soli, to me, and I invited the donor also a baby one, and maybe deny come up. Then besides, me as a minimum components to. I don't know so this is one that's what does who coffee wabre because nyame ma ho den am to ma memre ti met me no ma yesu ma na ko 12 adi wa na ka udi sare so wabre
and then if they go to
me na ka tro ye be bomu ache because me no start here fie asase yeah me first person ma be ko year 2014 nti nya bala sam yeah was all trying to make route now that never did any
I say but be to one ho
yeah I saw them also so fine but baby asa
and therefore and then they have 4 o'clock and then memory they are 167 Vernon Street SDA Church or Ghana SDA Church bra na yembom na sport senior ampon so o tie no one enyum na or two any day no ubenya nyima ko fie a be hye wo nkran enyuma ma wa bra bo o se kroma ye depressed wa obi a stress out ubenya nyima betima techi wo re afa so ska na efiri mu ba no ebi ko fie ko boa wona woni bie wona ehia wo mu a enti no se wo to series ni bia e pa cho ehia techire wo to bia nyame be hu so mo bo because Bible say wo hu mo bo nyame be hu so mo bo enti wo hwe nkremi no e koma sina so betama boa ye na ye nyame kakra
nyum ko me wo ekunafo a omukunu wadi omujan kwala for we kutamafo kwala 8 bisa side se me hwe me ide me mane me busuafo nyina no sa ankofo no so afre me anytime they are in need
school fees
we say me could do ya time we school fees was me tia nipa kwala mo twe no
wow obi are here from
yeah bibia ze se kura me ba kana sister ba kana me time so na 4 months na me jama be 5 months but me friend e ka tell so on to no was na e hwedi am be me be do Anthony Fuel and kasa se be do e be hu je be ada so obe ri ye be e ma no atena wa na se e pe be bufo ama ni nyina mu no e gno ya me ye se Jesus Christ kan se me chita suan fo no se mo nya dwumaden am fa ma wo ma e mere Paul na kan aso me betena mo si mama ya de so ma no me be ye me am nsa no dwuma didi ti mo so mo nye am fa mo wo na mere se asama Jesus Christ kan se o ma mo nshira ese no gie that's what I'm doing ya nto de mo se no an se fashion na wato no na sika bana guboto na wato kana dem na didi Yesu ba be gusa me se e duma me de share asa chaja me de ma se ye na bi nya so mfa so that's what I'm doing
na sisi anu edwa bi kan nto no ho ana
me duma ni na nyo to enya kana na emu odi an kan nyo to yesa bi se we ye duma bi nya kana na de ai egofo wi ai nyu be bana ai nyu no ya hitipe ewu ntwa 50,000 no be twa 100,000
mo so ton
wo ton wo de na me bai ko ma be chi obi ai Maryland
new ababe
new letters ya men ton ya me na mo twa Maryland me ko na me busa na so ka teme se esa nyu de obusa me se na ba auto kana me si ha ne ne so biat mi twa bi na me se me nyuma ba auto biat mi twa bi
obiat mi twa
nti wa twa egu na African shop a wo ton me nyuma wo nyina de me ni si eni aze kuma ye nyina na many protection and me bomb pa yes we dey mention into mu but on shame ko afo so wonya keke na makoma nto because me kodu fe nisu ade an ma na ya ne asama efina no ba South African shop asama efina no ba no kana e me ya so nyuma na ba out Ghana do biat me twabi
na
nyuma me dia ba me nto ye no a me dia ba me ba be lan we twa egu ho na hu e fake nti atan kra na gofo e complain so mto bi kofie na mba ehuru na me se mo anto me ho ma na no owiai na mo to fi no me ba me fa me African shop I have a chrome up and I'm over African shop because I trust them we are me ko bia na me dem ema obi anse onton camera na me ma ma Christy Pentecost ma me no wo na me dem be mo so mo to wi pe bi o han ma be ba ko bia apart from that no obi na me dem ema no chrome ha nti se me hu pe na mo so owiai na me just asma American me ko fie ko di awre ho si
about to be
at me twabi hey me no no na nya ba kumpo me ni si Isaac e just me ne Azie All Stars no bi ye e no bra ye letters me ben ye no so letters abon o twene nyina bi
wow
our Tom Maryland so tie me a the time so your time go come
all right eti mo ba cho sorry what your friend Abia 508-798-1890 508-798-1890 and that's 508-798-1890 656 8834.
I'm like, man, I didn't know some said we had maybe come. I want to follow America. One man, this is no one.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello.
If I try ABI 106.5 FM, what am I going to say?
Janet.
Janet. And I bet now I can tell great ampon.
What I say?
And I pay yes now I can tell you great ampon.
Yeah, great ampon. The idea part. And I to say, watching I mean, actually, one bar at the unit you want. I mean, in the past, miniature picture of Ghana, that never time, that's why I don't think it's for like Chomino.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, so Kaya.
Make I who's on the cow?
I have a Janet, you know, Chapel Chow, my king.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And then Papa, I never got with me.
Oh, you want the chairman?
Oh, maybe 1 year. I you cry.
I didn't show me.
But about you with them at the pie. Attending to
Namni, dear. Oh, anyhow, and now bad music request in Sutia. After lunch, I don't get up your request. My Bama Mossa.
oh,
That is Martin.
All right, Janet, and I saw Freya. If I told you for myself, Freya, 508 656 8834 and now 508 798 1890. Hello? Hello? If I try ABI 106.5 FM, what am I going to say? Hello? If I try ABI.
But your friend Obaya.
Obaya, and I want to say. Hello? Obaya. But who you have my great ample? Otio.
Metio Minyama.
Yo, let me have them off with you. Nami said this way, really kind.
I mean, she also.
Except Namina Madomoso, now, all did the one dance, Esther and Motu.
Yeah.
Any encouragement, somebody have a kitchen, some might be asking now. Now, every after car could be to be a child who grew no faster than somebody so be.
I, oh, trading. Yeah, make Germany.
And you know, you're showing my name, some who so bold the rule of Ghana.
Yeah.
So the Omo Ghana sent for future Omo.
Yeah. I had the answer. Yeah, Brebu.
Now you will to be an away.
Anthony, that's a fun dog. You
mean kind of friends, so when you're going to come to someone, I don't get to you.
Amen.
Some power this show, when you're in a swab and near you, my family has been power. I will shape for I am for only for and do more what you are with me every 18 months. And a year lunching. So, before a day I don't entire when I mean my end from Amen. Now I'm on a new number and baby. I'm not being almost coming from North and
Let me show me.
If I try to focus on 508 798 1890 508 798 1890. Hello? Hello? But I ABI 106.5. When I'm looking, I say, hello? If I want, I can say now, feel free.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, you.
Because of New York, for my Uncle Justice.
Oh, Uncle!
Then I did Namisha, many to our battle. But the Namisha is there to gospel music because this time gospel Anna, they are audition and then your mama has been such a
yeah.
I some more come up, some more cash when you're going to find it. Mr. King, you're not Chiniano, or the share, Iganka. Yeah. When you're was a war on this car. What the cars and what they, what the talk, what the quarter to a banana say no, then no way I can do again. Now, nothing more can or young young or can or young 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 down there. Ask them so far, the bar when you send our channel.
Imagine the number. Now, my baby, baby, no someone. On it too much.
Hear the word of God. Yes. So satro bento ngaza. Nyami adifo. Oma woni so satro bento ai. Hwe won fa mu ka boni ni mo fra boni se boni mfra papa se papa period. Anadi yaso. Afedi ankwam shaira kra. Ena adi yasa ankwam shaira yami usuro bi ni pemu. When Jesus of papa shan kwam wape. Na so for bani bo counter attack. Ojum to ni papa twa e jume nyame no. Ojum to ni bani so na mundro so. Wenji onyame bo for na kantam se. Ye na bi ni obimu. Onyame bo for na kantam se. Ye na bi ni obiema. Sa Above one can tell us that there is no more time. I know you go for yourself was any penny and tease a blessumpo when you did for me at the time. Oh, you were deep for Cooper or San Quambra, now a man a call it tie. She as our evil flow in order not to be contradicted. Now, so can I remember you were deep for about 50,000. So one crown and Yamika Sautie. One crown at your dear. When Jesus of Papa San come up, and your days of Bonnie Becca said, no. Or don't you need Papa to you, man, Yamia, and your day and a tough baby. When you may for a cantam zen, ye and a bin you up you move. Oh, Yami for a cantam zen. There is no more time, sir. Christian can say, peace can say for 1 year. Ya papa nui, ya timon catch. Ye na mafa, na muwa, Mumbamuka bonianim. Mumbamuka say yet gay. Afe Mumbamuka say yet lesbian. Afen so ya betra ye tonu so mumu sampanyi vone se sika no woyefa enakwa embassy saudo kwahwe Ghana mabunu nyina kwa brochi mamu why oko pedi na pasture because there is no future visa police ni papa ya jumadeno na police ni ban soje bribe and soja ni papa kontu kwa patano na soja ni boni na class boss utro waje najeji ni boni jade mutie sasofu papa sha nkomo be na sofu boni bokata ata opa nyame bofona kanta se yene bi ni obimu oh nyame bofona kanta se yene bi ni obimu Gana me Monkai Sodom and Gomorrah. Monkai Sodom and Gomorrah. Monkai Sodom and Gomorrah. Monkai Sodom and Gomorrah. Assemble. God is so great. Nyami sira ne mani pa yo difo. Eye nyami noa na hwe nipa. Bra enti yasemi me hu ameka ubetumi adome ubetumi atame. Osi Isaiah me di wo jaka wono. Me nsuro nipa me fere nipa bia.
Oman bienu pena nyakupa nikuo 2 Oman bienu pena prekase woso 1 eye Israel enemy my Ghana ebane sena Ghana ye bisi baseya enti nyame so for wa ifa nyame di for wa ifa mumpe mun kase ye chirige afa mumpe mun kase ye chiri lesbian Amenya mishiramra wa maisubye na nyame wo mafri wa manu mukodada washe akaye wokoko ye wo diamond anything ba ye wo bauxite magnesium any goldo afa wonya kupani kuka na manwunti wasakro de oil abeka ho aba na so afa bla de bobo ya komadoso ya hawa doso Efia doso, electricity free, gas off, Bibia short. Oh my God! Alright, dear boy, ABR 106.5 FM. Over some friend with this 508-798-1890. Akabe, some 5 minutes be. What's our friend with this time? Wonka soto and the Gomorrah and the boss 4 o'clock pepper. I want Fenor. Yeah, pat and you want to man. Yeah, and you me Eddie. I want and I saw I want Fenor. 67 Vernon Street. 67 Vernon Street. Hey, Shamu. All the presenters in Worcester. All the mighty in Worcester. The PM was 67 Vernon Street. SDA Church. Yeah, boy in your ampon. No, pay me home to my. Yeah, boy in your ampon. No, to me, I can boy in Jankano now. One so one much on Ghana. I ain't sure I ain't anything go boy. All right. We go back to me in your ampon. What do you? Anyway, what should we expect? Setting the mind.
What is that? Yambema, said you a year bono, Meniaji. Radima, Munya Shikama Kamana, Adolfo, it's you mean a Mamma, Meta Medinachi. Na enya kama. Yani yajumana asa yasa Messi ni Ronaldinho. Ihu crowd na ihu mama. Na obi mama. Yasa ya bomba se ni pa baba. Ni pa no be go sa na yaso yani agina de wose ye woman nyame bia no na ye de atudwa.
Se en obi pa no so no picture akwan na hosa.
Oh ye de akwan dem ni e program we twa pictures nko be 2 hours. Until go Facebook many artists have who me do power on Facebook everywhere.
Wow.
Maybe
and for ABR 106.5 FM and on the internet now so only ampo enya picture we enya Photoshop we gani jeje enumre 4 o'clock pepe 67 Vernon Street SDA Church bra emete nyumpa papa the man Kenyan e ma awose gu oh we want to fia che a fie sa is to another today see who say fie sa anything akwati SDA 67 Vernon Street na yenya yehye mo mbo enya ampo na djumedi odi no yes internet because obi a won't be to nyom da he obi a voice no I say you know apapoto de no o ye na won't be to nyom and obi to a Brian Buano yempiepia no na won't me anye no enye ne he kojo
yeah
oh any message for our listeners.
Yo de makate won se lade inshamo mo station ni ayamo de anada makoma so amoye djumedi onyina me akopon inshamo ani ja munyanya mo de afreme
kojo ncho so kakra.
okay
Hello Epacho
okay
Epacho go ahead.
Uncle Epacho I didn't have plan towards your future in Ghana.
Yo, me pa ba me bonus se me was me bio studio na edama kuma se meye ye friend say meye musical center betini enkwala because game to me nyina so forever e be do be person be so gina be boy din say nam great campus na me so ma be musician na nam great campus na be say enti me gusuwa say ero na edama kuma so pa say me person me ye mi bie na kase musical center mɛkyerɛ nkwalaa sɛdeɛ yɛsi ɛtwerɛ dwom ɛhyehyɛ dwom ɛto dwom saa ɛna dama kuma so ti daakye a mɛnya mbɛɛ sɛ me 50 mu no a mɛgya biribi ato na mehwɛ nkwalaa a mɛte no mu no mu so ɛyɛ de ahyɛ nyame anuonyam. That's my future plan.
All right. Ojo, tell Karentina any message for your listeners. Now what can I become?
Yo, the make am listeners as when I'm going in shamu nyina. Awurade antina nimu enchemu. The man no mani so if you say program no time no very very close. Now so eniji ankofo dia to South African shows no. All the process kwa ni joma bete dia tare ho ni ade no mani aso ustafo. Me hu say advance to ni bia ba oba usta.
Yeah.
Yes and Mr. Ken ni mu a bo so yemunti. God in shadow fo nyina. Ni etiefo etiemu nyane ezi elders mpanyifo agimi adi tumu so dwuma di ombedi mu dwuma mo ayama na kama aba so ne nyina. Na mi nhyira eni etiefo etie mesra mo ne mo motwi na mo kredi na mo behyen ezi aso de mo na ho nyema na me hu a eni na afaya.
All right, you tie na great amponinka mesra de wo ye bia na de jai 4 o'clock ye show 6-7 Vernon Street. Ezi asore wo ho no ye nyina enkota da chi oba apaka sakrabra. Ete for utie ye nyabema amponinka sambe de nkomo no esisi asei sambe ninu abon ye unse amponim jet obi o twanuma one city no one song na de os yaka nyina e bogus but a great ampon there uto ne city a everything A to Z kama enti tie another track on a counter attack so na on sample koye ene bone se baba na obenya cities mienu let me abo tibalete for bebe wo bia wo ni Hampshire wo Lemon Star bia bra na yembom na ya de nyobema no edi dwuma de anyumre e koye baleboa e de kwa
Adechana baby muno osatu ane nantiana so anantiana teni mwana ogotuna nyase fafefe bini okipini silvano obega ko suru na sentuya wenja dere woni ni siati emseye de deria siniwa unya kokofra unya silva unya kokofra ai sale rasite yasa tanya nikai sale rasite and any day now Kasapa tie Obi Steven se wo panyo mopa Kasapa tie Obi Steven